In this video, I'm going to describe how OnRamp can be used to pull data from ADP Workforce Now. ADP Workforce Now is a popular HRIS system, and to connect to ADP, you can configure it with these parameters. You need to give it a URL, client ID, secret, certificate, and private key. Our documentation walks you through how to set this up. It is available within the marketplace. When you search for OnRamp, you can get to the documentation. We provide instructions on how these parameters can be received from ADP as well as from your system. Once the ADP system connectivity is established, you can go back to flows. And flow is a definition of the process that you want to help orchestrate or automate. In this particular case, you would first set up a trigger which is set to ADP Workforce Now events. ADP provides a way in which events such as new hires or terminations can be pulled on a scheduled basis. When you configure the event, you can then describe whether you want to handle hires, terminations, or other changes. Once the trigger is configured, you can set up a bunch of tasks that are part of your onboarding or offboarding workflow. Each of these tasks can also be configured to a particular project or an issue type. This way, any specific security rules or workflows that you have set up can be reused. Once the flow is configured, it can be run on a scheduled basis so that application automatically pulls the latest hires or terminations. For the sake of this demo, I'm going to run it manually. You can do that by clicking on the play icon. And when you do that, the application is going to hit the ADP API and retrieve any pending new hires. In this particular case, it found one employee, so it is able to pull Brandon's record here. Here we have pulled the ID, name, location, start date, email, etc. And any additional fields that are available in ADP can also be mapped. If I refresh, you will notice that OnRamp also created a bunch of these tasks that were defined as part of the flow. This helps in that orchestration of all the new hire activities. Some of them can be completely automated. For example, create Azure account can be automated because OnRamp and OnLink helps integrate with the backend systems like Azure. Thank you.